Hey everybody, AJ here, and we are going to be doing a review on the Forge. Just a quick look at the Forge Rebuildable Dripping Atomizer. It comes with a it's all stainless steel construction. Very nice, heavy, well thought out construction. It comes with a drip tip. It's got a cap. There's the cap. It's got adjustable vent holes. It's hard to see there, but those vent holes are 3 different sizes. The bottom, let me just pull this apart. This piece has one big vent hole. Hope you can see that there. And then the base. This is made for dual coils. As you can see, it has 3 posts. It has a deep well here to hold the juice. These are the coils that it comes with. Of course, this would not be my ideal setup here right now. These coils are very thin, and I am planning on rebuilding it shortly. And it just goes together like this. You align it with one of the holes, slide it in there, drip tip on top of the Electric Angel clone. And we're ready to go. I'm not ready to go because I moved the top. Oh, by the way, this actually has 1, 2, 3, 4 different size graduating holes. I only thought it was 3. Wow, that's really nice. This may be my new favorite setup. Thank you, everybody. AJ out.